Yes, hello everybody. My name is Oscar Kibet. So today we are doing we call it a satellite table. It's usually rounded, but before it is recessed first on the table, usually what we do is we do a technique called Rattan. I'm sure you've been checking this on my YouTube videos. So as you can see, this is how it looks. This is 1.2 meter. It will be a 1.2 meter table. So we've already woven this matting. This is now a tabletop. Thereafter, we are going to recess 6mm plus. So first, we make this frame, this one, which is already 1.2 meters. This is 1.2 meters. So that it becomes firm, we have to weld these two pieces of metal, like a cross kind of a sign, such that when we are recessing this mat, it's able, at least it becomes stable. So then what we do is take this mat and then we make sure it has to be at the center. So we take the mat, then place it like that. So this is how it has to be. So this hole, that is for the center. So that is how it's going to be. So now this is the wrong side. So what we'll do, what I'm going to start doing, I'll start now weaving. This is the right side. So now you can see the mat is already attached to the middle. So that this thing is uniform, I'll start weaving around it. Then after, once I've woven around it, that is when we are going to bind the frame at the edges. So this is just a brief description of what I'm going to do. Yeah, so once this is fully done, that is when we can be able to have our 6mm plus now on top of this. Yeah, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. So it's going to happen. So right now, I'm going to try and start weaving on this frame, this one. So I'm going to weave on this frame. Thereafter, weaving on this frame, that's when I'm going to start binding. We'll start binding on this metal. So let me do a small demonstration of how I'm going to start weaving. So I've realized this is the end, this is the edge of the cane. So I'll set it, let me set it somewhere here. But I have to check first and make sure it's at the center. Yeah, I'll still have to push it downwards a bit. I think for easy observation, I'll have to first put this under. I place the mat like that. And then now, I place this on top. Yeah. So the most important thing is it really has to be at the center. So now you can see it's at the center. And then, yeah, now this is at the center. You have to make sure it is there at the center. Then I'll see, let me try and see if I can weave. I can start weaving from here now. So let's see how it goes. First, I'll have to remove this. Yeah, I'll have to remove that. Then now, I see how it goes. Because the idea for now is to make sure it is fully centered. So I leave there. Then yeah, then I'll make sure you can start binding around. Just to make sure it's at the center. Then you have to do it tight enough. Okay, this one I can't do it very tight, so I'll start weaving from here now. It's a bit challenging, but yeah. So once I have that there, I can start binding, weaving. Yeah, so so very important, that has to be at the center. This is how it's going to be. Yeah, so in the next video I'm going to show you how it came out. So thank you so much. Yeah, so kindly like and subscribe to our content.